19th over. 30 not out of 23 deliveries. On the leg side, down the leg side, denies the single again, Milan. I think that's a sensible call. Early on, try and target the 4s and 6s.
I like it from Danial, attacking the stumps. This is Ratnaike against Afghanistan. 41 of 19 he got. Played strokes all around the ground. Beautiful shots, and he has the power to hit big. Was so close, took his team.
Good Yorker. 2 is a call by Milan. And he comes back. And a bad throw from deep square leg. That's lucky. It comes to Sri Lankan side, but they don't mind how it comes.
This is a big over. 19 required of 10. And Ahmed Danial, well, he's scored 22 of 8. He's picked a wicket, taken a good catch. So things have gone well for him so far in the game. But at this time, it is a make or break in this over. Just a couple. Even in this over, Ratnaike would love to go big.
19 of 10 deliveries. Full toss. That was pacey. Milan Ratnaike was surprised with the amount of pace that delivery had.
Danial can be very slippery. Looking to attack the stumps, looking for a fast Yorker. And lucky that it wasn't a no ball. Was close to that waist area. Luckily, not above it.
That was slippery. That hit the maker's name. Even Milan Ratnaike spent so much time in the middle, he was surprised. 19 of 9. In the slot, long on in place, and drops it diving forward. Good attempt by Yasir Khan. But at this level, I'm afraid those got to be taken, and Milan Ratnaike gets another opportunity.
Well, will it be the make or break of this game? This was Ratnaike offering a chance to Yasir, who came in, reached in time, but was unable to accept the chance. Ratnaike refused the run. So he's looking to go big. He has his intentions pretty clear. Yasir would have been a great catch though. Never easy running forward.
Yeah, never easy diving forward. Close, close. Oh no, probably drifting down the leg side. Milan Ratnaike trying to use the pace, but Danial is bowling. But the length was perfect. The context of the game, just 2 runs of the first 5 deliveries.
Excellent from Ahmed Danial, attacking the stumps. Every ball is aiming to hit the stumps.
Milan Ratnaike will be planning to get a single and to face against Ubaid Shah in the next over. Exactly what he does, but it goes in the gap. Mas Sadakat gives the chase and he gives up. The ball was too quick. Not what Milan Ratnaike intended, but Sri Lanka A will not mind. End of the over. It's 139 for 8, 15.
Knows the kind of cricket that we have seen today and tonight. Anything is possible. Ratnaike is batting there, and he is somebody who's carrying Sri Lanka's chances with him. But a chance for Ubaid Shah to redeem himself. He didn't have a great time with the new ball. Now is the time to make up. Either they go in the final or they go back home.
Has to be a wide. Milan Ratnaike dives and he makes the ground, and the wicket keeper misses it. And a wide and a bye that makes 2 runs, and now the ball is not valid, so make it 13 needed of 6 deliveries.
That was always going to be the case. That is not very intelligent cricket by the keeper and the bowler as well. Once he has bowled that, whatever the result is, he needs to run up to the stumps. But he stands his ground and the keeper misses it. Ratnaike is desperate stuff in the middle. Great scenes over there.
Oh, Milan Ratnaike, the lady luck is in his side. It was dropped in the previous over. Half a chance with a run out, but the wicket keeper Gori misses it. Is it his day? Is it Sri Lanka's day? Here comes Ubaid Shah to Milan Ratnaike. Down the leg side, and wide be called again. Poor stuff by Ubaid Shah. Right throughout the day, it's been off the mark, bowling plenty of wide deliveries.
Not learning from what went wrong earlier on with the new ball. He starts from where he left off in his earlier spell. And Pakistan already given away 21 extras. And still Sri Lanka required 12 of 6 balls. So all is not lost. You just have to target the stumps. At the moment, he seems to be all at sea.
Yeah, the discipline from Ubaid Shah has been missing. That's why the Shah family, all the fast bowlers have been thriving on. Changes his angle, coming round the wicket. Down the leg side, down the leg side. I thought Milan Ratnayaka will be kicking himself not to get any part of the bat. Would have been a boundary with fine leg in the circle.
Yeah, this is quick. And let's keep it simple. Ball the Yorkers, target stumps. Although this could have been very dangerous had the bat made any connection with the ball. Fine leg was up in the circle. But Naike knows it's all about him, facing everything from here onwards.
It's now or never for both the sides. Need 12 runs of 5 deliveries. Short third man, short fine leg, car point, extra cover the 4 fielders in the circle. In the air, over third man and goes for a boundary. Milan Ratnayaka probably anticipating a slow ball bouncer. And Irfan Khan Niazi, he's not a happy man. Got to give it to Milan Ratnayaka for the braveness.
Why bowl slow? That's the question. And I'm sure the captain is asking Ubaid the same question. When Yorkers are doing the job for you, why change it? Once again, top stuff from the batter Ratnayaka. Anticipation and wonderful execution of the stroke. And Niazi isn't happy.
All the attention is drawn towards Ratnayaka, rightly so. Also, do not forget the contribution of Trevin Matthew. Yes, he has only scored 4 runs, but he has faced precious 11 delivery and most importantly, not giving his wicket away.
He's done a Pat Cummins over here.
Good one, Salman. Nicely bowled, nicely bowled. That's much better and given. Oh! Morshid Ali has given Milan Ratnayaka out. Probably looking at it live, I thought, but maybe drifting down the leg side.
Huge wicket this. What a good comeback this is. A Yorker aiming at the stumps. And umpire acknowledges the appeal. He gives it out. And Ratnayake, after fighting for 40 runs of 32 deliveries, bringing Sri Lanka victory in sight, he has to leave. 8 required of the 3 balls with the last man coming in.
Here comes the replay. Oh, that's unlucky. That is unlucky. Got to be said. Ubaid Shah, he gets the final laugh. He dismisses Milan Ratnayaka for 40. It's very unfortunate to be given LBW. 146 for 9. Attacking stuff now. 7 needed of 2.
Important delivery this. 2 balls, 7 remains. Traveen has had a fair look at the bowlers. Has been there for 11 deliveries he's faced and also been involved in the partnership. This one surely going down the leg side. And Sri Lanka would feel hard done and unlucky.
Clearly. That was very unlucky, Milan Ratnayaka and Sri Lanka. This has to go for a 4 or at least 3. Not to be. Ubaid Shah saw Trevin Matthew going outside the off stump, follows him, and a precious delivery. Just went for a single. Garuka Sanket, he got 1 delivery, the little man. Not even turned 21. He has 1 ball to score 6 runs against one of the quickest bowlers in the competition.
Yes, the glory ball. He has his chance. But the pace at which Ubaid Shah is bowling, a fuller ball into the stumps will be the safest try. And He's come back, bowled at pace, aimed at stumps, and that is when the things have started to work for him. The slow ones and the shorter ones haven't worked for Ubaid Shah.
Here comes Ubaid Shah for the last ball. Full toss and young Garuka Sanket miss it. And Ubaid Shah under pressure delivers a very good over. The first 3 overs he was very expensive. When it mattered the most, the raw emotions come out of Ubaid Shah. He bowls the last over for 8 runs to give Pakistan a victory by 6 runs. And